Welcome back to our virtual classroom here in my kitchen. Now we're ready for what might be the most essential part of this course, and that is mastering ACT mathematics. I know that you have your copy of my secrets for mastering mathematics. These secrets work for ACTs, SATs, GREs, and GMATs. It doesn't matter. Numbers are numbers, math is math. I want you to understand this, because I know a lot of you come from a background where you've been told that mathematics is difficult. When you got to the third grade, the fifth grade, you had a teacher say math was difficult, so they wasn't going to teach much of it. And consequently, you didn't learn much of it. And they made math very difficult. But math is the easiest of all of the things we will learn, because all we can do is to count. Having number sense and knowing a few fundamentals is the key to your high scores on the math portions of these exams. If you learn to learn the numbers, the facts, the formulas, and ideas on that guide, on those secrets, you will be amazed at what you can do. From teaching thousands of students over the past 35 years, I know that learning what I have here is what you need to know to help make you a math whiz. Now get those 6 pages of math secrets out, because we're going to begin to use them and learn to love them. What do we need to learn first? All we do in any mathematics is to walk on the number line. And after we do the operations that they tell us to do, we look between our feet to see the answer. That's all you can do in math is count. They used to call it the counting houses. They did that for a reason. All you can do with math is count. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. When you multiply, you're just counting quickly. When you subtract, you're walking backwards. When you divide, you're walking backwards a lot faster. Arithmetic. Arithmetic is the key to all of mathematics. And we need to know that there are only 4 real operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All we're going to do is walk up and down that number line. Now, I know every one of you ragamuffins can walk up and down the line. I know you can do that. That's all it takes. There is no mystery to mathematics other than what we create in our minds. Look at this number line. See that number line? It's the key to all arithmetic. Arithmetic is the key to all mathematics. We have a thing called algebra. We ought to call it the arithmetic of logic. We have a thing called geometry. We ought to call it the arithmetic of shapes. We have a thing called trigonometry. We ought to call it the ratio and proportion arithmetic of triangles.